Living in a tiny apartment doesn't mean you have to live with clutter. These clever gadgets and space-saving designs help you maximize every inch without sacrificing style or function. From foldable finds to smart storage tricks, you'll wonder how you lived without them. All links are waiting for you in the description below. Imagine a studio where your bed isn't always stealing the spotlight. This expandable studio transforms 292 square feet into a flexible, functional home where everything has its place and then disappears. With the Cloud Bed Sofa Edition, your bedroom becomes a living room in 30 seconds, and the pocket closet hides an entire walk-in behind a sleek media console. It's modern living, beautifully reimagined for small spaces. Sleep doesn't have to be a struggle, especially for kids who need a little more calm at bedtime. This enclosed sensory bed creates a cozy, customizable space built for better rest. It's got mood lighting, Bluetooth speakers, airflow control, and sliding doors that offer full privacy or stay open. It's up to you. Perfect for kids who need quiet and comfort to drift off. And yes, it's certified for autism support too. Why settle for just a side table when you can have 4 hidden seats in one? This clever piece transforms from a stylish table into 4 sturdy stools in seconds. It's perfect when friends drop by, or you're short on space but big on hosting. Built from solid hardwood, each stool supports up to 300 pounds. It's compact, functional, and seriously impressive every time you pull it apart. This is modular living at its smartest. A full bed hides beneath a sleek closet organizer, press, or pull, and the whole unit slides back into the wall, revealing a comfy sleeping space underneath. When you're done, it tucks away and brings back your closet, keeping everything neat and functional. It's like your room shapeshifts on command, giving you storage by day and a full bedroom by night. Meet the smart bed that does way more than just hold you at night. Pop out a hidden LCD screen right from the footboard for movies or work. Side panels open to reveal storage, a mini fridge, and even wine glass holders. Built-in night lights and a side table keep essentials close, while drawers below tuck away clothes or gear. It's your bedroom's ultimate all-in-one setup. Comfort, tech, and convenience wrapped into one sleek design. When every square foot counts, this folding dining table pulls off a smart transformation. Open it all the way to seat 6, fold one side for a smaller setup, or close it completely and use it as a console or desk. 6 wheels make it easy to roll anywhere, and built-in shelves hold your go-to items. It's sturdy, stylish, and designed for life in tight spaces. Running out of shelf space? This vertical book tower spins a full 360 degrees, so every title stays within reach, no shuffling or stretching. With 6 tiers and a compact footprint, it holds tons of books without hogging the room. Crafted from durable bamboo, it's both sturdy and stylish in any corner. Whether it's novels, comics, or even DVDs, this rotating rack keeps your collection neat and ready to grab. Got a tight corner, but still need a full functioning workspace? This clever foldaway desk was built for that exact situation. Just 36 inches wide, it fits into small nooks and hides away when you're done working, restoring calm and reclaiming space. It's packed with features like photo-grade lighting, built-in USB ports, and a monitor arm that tilts, pans, and rotates. Sleek, sturdy, and seriously smart for compact living. Tight on space, but love to host? This slim table stays under 9 inches deep when folded, just a sleek accent against the wall. But when it's time for dinner or game night, it stretches out effortlessly to seat 6 or more. The secret? Hidden extension panels stored right inside. It's compact when you need room, and spacious when you don't. Smart design, minimal footprint, big functionality. Looks like a regular sofa until it becomes a bunk bed in seconds. This sleeper cleverly hides 2 separate beds inside a sleek, modern frame, perfect for sleepovers or small apartments. Safety locks keep everything secure, and there's even hidden storage for bedding. It comes with comfy mattresses and removes the hassle of inflating or unfolding bulky setups. You sit, you sleep, you stack, without sacrificing space or style. Need an extra bed, but short on space? This 3-in-1 leather chair pulls triple duty, lounger by day, recliner for relaxing, and full sleeper when it's time to crash. It even hides a pop-out side table, cup holder, and phone stand right in the armrest. Just pull, flip, and relax. Whether it's guests or just you binge-watching with snacks, this chair's got comfort and convenience built right in. Looking to add flexibility and style to your living space? This sliding system lets you move your TV smoothly in multiple directions, giving you full control over your viewing angle. Easy to install and built for secure, lasting use. It includes smart features like cable management and safety brakes. Plus, it hides the hardware in a sleek drawer for a clean look. Perfect for anyone wanting a blend of function, style, and DIY satisfaction. Need stairs, but don't have the space? This folding staircase is a total game changer. It mounts neatly to the wall and folds sideways like a book, freeing up your floor when not in use. Crafted from ultra-strong bamboo, it's built to handle daily use while looking like a piece of modern art. Perfect for lofts, attics, or tiny homes. Safe, stylish, and backed by a lifetime warranty. A bench that hides in plain sight? Yes, please. This sleek little seat expands from a compact side table into a full bench that comfortably fits up to 5 people. The padded surface is soft, easy to clean, and stylish enough for any modern space. Slide it out when guests arrive, then tuck it away when they leave. Smart design, smooth mechanism, and everyday comfort, all in one. Imagine a garden that hides its secrets. This clever wall displays your pots and plants up front, but with a simple pull, it swings open to reveal hidden storage for all your outdoor supplies. Perfect for balconies, it tucks away tools, soil, and extra pots while keeping your green space neat and organized. Stylish, space-saving, and ready to turn any small outdoor spot into a lush, clutter-free oasis. These beds fold neatly into the wall, doubling or even tripling your usable space without sacrificing comfort. The latest models feature thick, comfy mattresses that don't fold, so you get a great night's sleep every time. Many also come with built-in desks, sofas, or wardrobes to turn any room into a multifunctional powerhouse. Just fold it away, and your space is instantly ready for work, play, or relaxation. When upper shelves are just too high, this hidden step stool has your back. It flips out in either direction, giving you 2 sturdy steps whenever you need a boost, then folds neatly into just 1.5 inches of cabinet space. Great for kids at the sink or grabbing dishes without a chair. Optional add-ons like a child lock or touch to open make it even smarter. Built-in help, right where you need it. Want a massive TV without it dominating the room? This ceiling lift lets you hide up to a 75-inch screen until showtime. With one press, it lowers smoothly and quietly, turning any space into a home theater. When you're done, it tucks back up. No clutter, no distractions. Great for saving your view or impressing guests. Sleek, silent, and seriously cool. Laundry Day just got a serious upgrade. This fully automatic washer features a unique 3-barrel system, so you can wash different loads at the same time. No mixing delicates with dirty gym clothes. It's smart home compatible, adjusts settings automatically, and takes care of everything with minimal effort. Just load, tap, and relax while it does the thinking for you. More loads, less hassle, all in one sleek machine. Need storage that doesn't hog space or take hours to assemble? This heavy-duty bin folds flat when not in use and pops open in seconds. No tools, no stress. With 8.5 gallons of space, it's perfect for clothes, shoes, or even office supplies. Rolling wheels make it easy to move, and front access doors let you grab what you need without unstacking. Smart, stackable, and built to handle serious clutter. Looks like a stylish ottoman until it turns into a full seating set. This clever cube hides 4 folding chairs inside, each with a padded seat and backrest for real comfort. Just roll it out, pop it open, and you've got instant extra seating in seconds. Perfect for small spaces, surprise guests, or game night. Sleek on the outside, surprisingly roomy on the inside. This isn't just a desk, it's a full-on command center. With motorized controls for the seat, backrest, and leg rest, you can work sitting up, reclined, or even fully flat in a true zero-gravity position.